Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the YouTube app and locating the video that shows the QR code. Make sure your camera permission is granted. Once done, pause the video on the frame where the QR is clear so you have time to scan. Move your phone camera slowly closer until the code fills about 1/3 of the screen. This helps focus. If your app has a built-in scanner icon, tap it now. Otherwise, keep the camera app ready and steady for the next step. Now perform the actual scan. If YouTube displays a scanner, align the QR inside the guide and wait for the recognition signal. Otherwise, switch to your phone camera's QR mode and center the code. Make sure lighting is even and avoid glare. Subtle angle adjustments often help capture faint prints. When the system detects the code, a preview or link appears. Inspect the domain and text to confirm it looks legitimate. Then tap the preview to open the target securely in a new tab or app. Finish by verifying the destination. Check the URL and content for correctness before entering any details. If nothing happens, try increasing screen brightness, cleaning your camera lens, or pausing the video on a higher resolution frame and scan again. Sometimes toggling airplane mode briefly resets network glitches. If the QR still won't read, take a clear photo and use a third-party scanner app to decode it. And remember, only follow links from sources you trust, otherwise type addresses manually.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.